Hello and welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing how to do a pull to refresh and swipe to delete in a list view in Flutter. So first, let me show the demo of the app that we are going to build. So here you can swipe to delete or pull to refresh to add a new row. You can even undo the deleted action, and on each pull to refresh, we will add a new row at the end of the list with a random value. Okay, so let's start. So first, let me create some variables. A list of strings. I'm going to name it companies and override the init state method and create a new list. I'm going to add some dummy values to the list. So companies.add Google, Apple, Samsung, Sony and LG. Okay, and call the function there. Now let's create the list widget. So ListView.builder with a padding 20 and item count will be companies.length, and the item builder will take the context and the index, and this is going to return a row. So let me write a new function and pass in the parameters. So widget, row, context and the index. So this is going to return a dismissible widget which has the swipe to delete property. Okay, so always give a unique key to this each widget. So you can either use this way, the unique key, or you can have your own unique key there. Okay, so this is very important. For this demo, I'm just using the corresponding value in the company's array. Okay, and when you swipe, the onDismiss will be called with the direction parameter, and the child will be a new card with child list style, and the text will be the corresponding value from the company's array. Okay, let me add that to the UI. Restart the app. So there we have the list now. So let's swipe and delete the rows. Okay, so that is gone. Okay, but we have an issue here. Let me restart the app. So you can see that the corresponding widget is gone, but the value is still in the array, so it's trying to rerun it. So that's causing the error. So let's fix that. For that, we need to remove the corresponding value from the array when you dismiss the widget. So let's write a function, remove company. Okay, that's going to take the index and call set state companies remove at index. Okay, now let's write a function to show a snack bar when we swipe and delete a row. So scaffold dot of context show snack bar and a snack bar with content, let's say company deleted. So let's call these functions in the onDismissed callback. Okay, so we got the company object and show snack bar, and don't forget to remove it. So remove company. Let's restart the app. Okay, swipe. Okay, so Apple deleted. Alright, so when I reload, there is no error because we have removed the corresponding row from the list, right? So let's write a function to show an indicator when we swipe and delete the row. Okay, so let's create a container with padding right padding 20 and colors dot red and child an icon with delete image and the color of the icon is white. Okay, and give it as background for the dismissible widget. Okay, restart the app, swipe to delete. Okay, so you can see the red background now. Okay, so Apple deleted, Samsung deleted. Let me show that once again. Okay, okay. Now let's give an action in the snack bar to undo the delete. So action, snack bar action with the label undo, and on press we're going to call a function undo delete and with the parameter index and the company object. Okay, so we need the index there. So let's write the function and companies dot insert at index the company object. Okay, restart the app. Okay, swipe to delete. Okay, we have some issue here. Let me check that. Show snack bar. Okay, we need to pass in the index as well. Okay, okay, restart the app. Swipe to delete. So that we have the undo action. Okay, let's delete one more. Okay, okay, Samsung added back. Okay, Sony is also added back. So let's do that again. Okay, Apple is added back. Okay, now we are done with the swipe to delete. Let's do the pull to refresh now. So for that, we need to wrap the list inside a refresh indicator widget, and let's give it a key. So declare a new variable global key of type refresh indicator state. So refresh key, let me initialize that, a new global key. Okay, refresh indicator state. All right, so let's supply the key there. Now we need to implement the on refresh method. Okay, so leave it empty now. Okay, now the error is gone. Okay, let's write a function that will be called when we do a pull to refresh. Okay, so on refresh should always return a future, so don't forget that. So future null refresh list. So this is an asynchronous function. I'm just giving a delay to mimic a small delay and call a new function add random company and return null. So let's write the function, and we are going to need a new variable random. Let's import the math package. Okay, so r is equal to new random and next count is equal to r dot next end. So I'm just giving 100, so it will create a random value within 100. Okay, and companies dot add company with that value. Okay, so on refresh, let's call await refresh list. Okay, restart the app, pull to refresh. Okay, so a new row is added. Okay, with a random value. Let's try to swipe and delete that. Click undo. Okay, so that is back. Okay, so that's also working. Okay. Now this refresh key has some methods inside that if you want to use. Let me show one here. So refresh key dot current state dot show on top true, and if you click on that you can read the documentation as well. Let me remove that line. So I'm not going deep into that. I hope everyone understood how to swipe and delete a row in a list view and how to do pull to refresh in Flutter. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.